So ayun, may na-realize ako while I'm taking a shower. And na-realize ko na since I've stopped na pansinin yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao, like I don't pay attention much about if they care about me or whatever. So ayun, before kasi, if ever na may nag-message sa akin na relatives or even a friend, for example, may nanghihiram ng pera, ganyan, or something na, alam mo yun, na meron silang kailangan. So I'm feeling that I'm very obligated to reply and it's like my responsibility before. But here right now, I've started to set boundaries to those kind of things. And hindi na ako yung parang reply agad. Parang I can reply whenever I'm ready. Like, I don't need to reply like as soon as possible. I can still think. I have a choice to say no. But before guys, grabe. So pag may message sa akin, mabilis ko mag-reply. Hindi reply ako agad. Parang I'm not thinking about what I'm going to say, what I'm going to feel. But right now, it's completely fine. And for me, it's a normal thing na hindi na siya yung parang pinag-iisipan ko pa, tapos parang mga ilang araw isipin ko siya ulit, mga ganun. Right now, I am unbothered na. Like, pag may nag-message sa akin ganyan, so I can say no, or pwede ko silang ignore if it's something na, alam mo yun, na hindi naman maganda for me, something like that. So, ayun, I finally knew how to set boundaries to myself and to others, and I respect myself more. So, ayun, nakakagaan ng pakiramdam. So, share ko lang, sana kayo din, you should set boundaries with yourself and with other people. Know what you can and can't. And ayun, kasi you're training them on how to treat you as well if you're not doing that. So, yun lang.